What's the meaning of chilled out? Chilled out. Chilled out.
Chilled out. Chilled out. Chilled out is an informal expression that describes a person or situation that is relaxed, calm, and unconcerned. It often refers to a feeling of being stress-free and at ease, without any sense of urgency or pressure. People who are chilled out tend to have a laid-back and easygoing attitude, and they may prioritize enjoying the moment over achieving specific goals or outcomes. This state can be achieved through various methods, such as relaxation techniques, mindfulness practices, or spending time in a peaceful environment. Ultimately, being chilled out can lead to a sense of inner peace and contentment.